Hi guys, this is Corso, the Review Tech, and today we're going to unbox the Jabra Elite Sport. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so first thing we're gonna do, like we always do in this channel, if you've been a subscriber you know, is starting from outside the box. So here we have superior sound, up to 13.5 hours of charge, heart rate analyzer, and they are waterproof. 50% longer battery life. So that's why I got this, because the other ones were dying quickly and I want something that lasts me at least 3 hours. So I think these are the best candidates for true wireless headsets with longer battery life. Here we have a picture of the Jabra headsets with the Jabra app. It's like a personal training app. It will help you reach your workout goals. Here in the back we have superior quality wireless sound and calls. Enjoy for up to 13.5 hours. And here we have the day lasts 4.5 hours music and talk time with on-the-go charging case, giving additional charging of 9 hours. So they will last 4.5 hours, and then once you put it in the case, you know, you get another 9 hours of battery life, which kind of dumb. I go more with the 4.5 hours. A near precision heart rate monitor and analyzer, which this is really cool. That's why I got this, because they have a heart rate monitor and analyzer on the earphones. So really amazing. Comfortable and secure cord free fit in-ear audio coaching. So it has a coach inside your ears pretty much, and you just gonna listen to it, and probably he's going to be your motivation to reach that goal that you've been wanting to reach for years and years and years. Now is the time. And here we have 3 years limited warranty against failure due to sweat. So if it gets damaged because you're sweating too much and you are like a shower on the gym and you're sweating like crazy, so you can get 3 years of warranty on the sweat. And they're also compatible with these training apps, and is compatible also with the iPhones and Android. Okay guys, let's open the package. Alright guys, so really cool. Here we have our earphones, charging case, we got our cable here to charge them, we have all these ear gels and ear wings to choose from, so you can choose whatever of this fits you better on your ear. And then we have the instructions over here. Let's see if we can get it out. Welcome to your new Jabra Elite Sports. Right, let's open it. Nothing else. Okay, protect your Elite Sports with a 3-year warranty. We talked about it already. And Jabra Elite Sports, all the meet the app, what is in the box. Oh, here we go. Should have just watched this and then forget about the unboxing video, right? What is in the box? You have your earbuds, your charging case, cables, and all these fittings for your ears. Okay guys, so now let's pair it so we can check the sound and see how easy or hard is the process to pair these two to my phone. So let's take this out. So here, charging case. Then let's see, just place this right here, left, right, place it like that, and you close it, and they're charging. There you go, you can see the two LED lights. So they're charging, and you take it, open it, and get it out. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in right now. Okay, so you can see it's a red LED light indicating that it's charging. Let's open this, and there's a little LED. So when you open the case, they will start pairing. So let's see. So let's bring my phone here. I just opened the Bluetooth settings and scanning. There you go. It says right here, Jabra Elite Sports. So we're gonna click on that. Okay, so it's paired and we're ready to go. So let's download the app, and here's the app already. Found it, Jabra Elite Sport, which is gonna click on that one. It's rated 3.5 stars. Install. It's installing right now. All right, let's open. You need another app to open that app, so we're gonna install the other Jabra service app. Okay, so now it's installed. Now let's go back to Jabra and see if we can get it to work. It's asking you your gender, height. We're just gonna go with it, even though it's not like that, but who cares? Jabra Lite, Jabra Pulse. So you're gonna choose which one is the one you have. So that was us. So insert the earbud to your ear, rotate the earbud to fit snug inside your ear canal, and that's how you should do it. So here's how you put it on. So that way it's really tight on your ear. Keep going. Important size is to wear, so you can basically it's walking you through the setting up process. So it's telling you how to use your Jabra Lite headsets. Okay guys, so this was a quick just unboxing of this Jabra Lite Sports. They're a little pricey, $250, but I mean, for what you get, 4.5 hours of battery life, a heart rate monitor, and all the sensors, and sweat proof, and 3 years of warranty. I think they're worth it. This is Corso guys at the Review Tech. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you on the next. You guys know already. Bye bye.